Welcome to Interior Design YouTube channel. When it comes to choosing the best dining table and chair designed for your home, there are numerous options available that can enhance both the aesthetics and functionality of your dining space. One popular choice is the farmhouse style dining table and chairs. With their rustic charm and sturdy construction, farmhouse tables create a warm and inviting atmosphere paired with matching or mix and match wooden chairs. This design adds a touch of nostalgia and authenticity to your dining area, perfect for gatherings with family and friends. For those seeking a more contemporary look, sleek and minimalistic design are an excellent choice. A glass of marble top dining table with modern upholstered chairs can create a chic and elegant ambiance. This style not only exudes sophistication but also offers a sense of spaciousness, making it ideal for smaller dining areas. Additionally, the clean lines and simplicity of design allow for easy integration with various interior design styles, giving you the flexibility to personalize your space according to your taste. Whether you prefer classic farmhouse or modern minimalism, selecting the best dining table and chair designs can transform your home into a stylish and inviting dining heaven. Thank you for watching. For the latest and trending design must watch, subscribe and like Interior Design channel.